Welcome back, beautiful friends. Let's tune into this frequency of the Diana, Goddess Diana, focused intention, having a clear intention, what you think is very important. Set your sights high, expect the best possible outcome, work inside. Make it vibrant, make it high energy, light. Inhale and exhale. Allow the guidance from the Dhyana, Goddess Dhyana, to enter your spirit, your soul. Allow this frequency to shower over you with this beautiful light that she's holding on the top of the head, the crown chakra, connecting to the divine, mesmerizing, magnetizing, and attracting. That what you see, what you think, clear intention, as I said, clear intention, you know it's all matters. Frequency rise high above.